What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, we've made a lot of progress on the Jeep. So we're gonna finish up the rear end. We're gonna do some of the details with the rear bumper, because at the moment I have this thing kind of rigged up, and then we want to get the hardware in there as well. But for now, we're gonna clean this up, and we're gonna be installing these LED taillights. It's a universal kit that I got off of Amazon, 46 bucks. Got a lot of good reviews. Luckily, someone actually left the wiring diagram in the Ford TJ in the reviews, so that's helpful. So we'll get these unpackaged, get the old ones off, and get started on the install. To get started, we are going to grab our drill, and it's actually on this one, it's just 4 Phillips, and we remove these. Get in there. Set that down, pop these out, and then get our little pry tool here. Yep. Alright, so now we got that off. Looks like you got a couple nuts in there, so we will remove that. Alright, so we took those bolts out and removed the tail light, and then we pulled the wire harness through, cut it. I cut it on this side of the plug just in case I ever went back with the OEM. I could just plug it in theory. You do have to drill out these holes. And then I sprayed paint. I don't know what was up with that paint. It came out kind of weird, but it's all good. Taillight's gonna cover it. And then I'll show you over here on my work cooler. So we have these, and they're actually studs that stay in the light as opposed to these that come out. So you run that through there, and then you have your wiring harness coming off of it. It's good to note this is going to be your ground, and then that'll help you find the other ones. Alright, so we have both sides installed, and before I tape this up, let me show you. The yellow is going to go to your purple and black, and then your red and black goes to your red, and then your black and yellow goes to your black. And then I have it grounded in the fender, so everything's working. So I'm gonna put it all back together, and I will show you guys what it looks like whenever we're all finished. Alright, so we got everything working. There she is. See, you got your LED license plate light. It's kind of cool because you have it on this side too. So I guess you can do something with that. And they're much brighter than your factory lights, but they're also DOT approved, so that way you don't have to worry about getting pulled over. And then since the last time I wasn't able to get these hooked up, I finally got the harness, got everything going, so I'll show you guys the front lights too. So we got the pod lights, the headlights, and then the ridiculous light bar. And that pretty much does it for this video. But if you want to follow more of the budget TJ build, subscribe. And I appreciate everyone for watching.